Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to format the SanDisk SSD using this phone. So this is the SanDisk disk USB SSD. Okay, let me to show you how to format this one. First of all, we need to connect this USB flash drive to this device. So this is simply using this is type C port, so we can easily connect this one. Now directly go to the My Files. So here you can see the name of this USB storage. You can see here, tap on this one. So you can see these are the files inside this SanDisk storage. Okay, so let me show you how to format this one. After open this one, tap on three dots on the top right side. Okay, now here you can see the option format. So tap on this one. Now confirm this message. Format USB storage. Everything on this USB storage one will be erased. Actually, USB storage one is the name of this SanDisk SSD. So let me now confirm this option. Tap on format. Yeah, now you can see. Sorry. If you tap on this one, you can see no files. So simply in this way we can format the SanDisk USB flash drive using this phone. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.